VMware's vSphere Storage Appliance, aka VSA, provides a low-cost shared storage solution that is very simple to deploy. This demonstration will show how quick and easy it is to install the VSA. The VSA installer was designed to make the installation process as simple as possible. Notice that we can evaluate the VSA without having a license key, as we will for this example. In addition to seeing the installation and configuration process for the VSA, we will also see that the installer automatically configures both vSphere HA and vMotion Network across the cluster members to provide a highly resilient storage solution. Once VSA Manager is installed on the vCenter server, we will enable the VSA plugin so that the VSA cluster can be deployed and managed. Now we can see the VSA Manager tab in the vSphere client. With the VSA Manager installed, we are now ready to install a VSA cluster in our system. As we see, the installer will automatically create a VSA cluster and a vMotion network and will configure VMware HA. Notice that our data center has 3 hosts, and we select all 3 of them for our VSA cluster. Each cluster element needs a unique IP address. We start by entering the IP for the cluster manager. Now each host gets its unique IP address. Notice that the installer suggests IP addresses by incrementing the cluster manager's IP. For this host, we have both a management address and an NFS address. For our example, we will put the management network on VLAN 1955, and we will put the backend network on VLAN 1192. For the next 2 hosts, we take all the defaults since the VSA installer has set them correctly. We have configured everything needed to install the VSA cluster. Our selections are correct, so we start the installation. As we have previously mentioned, this installation will configure the VSA cluster and will also configure a vMotion network and a HA cluster. In addition, each of the NFS data stores will be created and presented to all the ESXi hosts, and will be mirrored to provide a robust infrastructure that provides tremendous resiliency with minimal effort from our technical staff. The installation and configuration are now complete. When we close the installer, we see our new VSA cluster with the 3 VSA data stores. Each of these data stores is presented to each of the ESXi servers and is mirrored to provide full redundancy. This map view shows how the objects in the VSA cluster are connected. As you have seen, VMware's vSphere Storage Appliance provides a robust, low-cost shared storage solution that is very easy to deploy and maintain.